Do you like robots? Do you like water? Do you like VR? If you answered yes to 2 or more of these questions, you should probably watch this video. Hi, I'm Oliver from AQUATIC Robotics. We teach the world about under, over, and on-the-sea robotics. I'm here to talk about the Trident ROV. The Trident was made by Surfar Ocean in San Francisco, California. An ROV is a remotely operated vehicle. A remotely operated vehicle is a robotic drone that can be controlled remotely with a separate device. Earlier, we mentioned VR. The Trident ROV can be connected to a VR headset such as the Oculus, allowing you to control the robot as if you were right there. You can use the camera to see the underwater world as if you were submerged in it yourself, which is pretty cool. As for the camera, Trident can almost see better than a human. With a sapphire lens, the images captured are of great quality and are extremely sturdy while being scratch and heat resistant. The robot is made of a plastic polymer of their own design and is very sturdy. You can connect a tether harness up to 100 meters in length to control the Trident and send footage. If you don't want to use the tether, you can use a special buoy that has a GPS to wirelessly transmit footage and signals. The Trident has 3 brushless motor propellers, 2 of which on the back shooting the Trident forward, 1 in the center controlling depth. These propellers are so fast it can swim at the speed of Michael Phelps. The coolest part about the Trident is that the code is open source, meaning anyone can go in and change it. That means you can always retool the code to help the Trident run exactly the way you need it to. So the Trident can hook up to VR, it has an amazing sapphire lens camera, and open source code. Thank you for watching our video. If you'd like to see more robots, check out our website at www.aquaticrobotics.weebly.com. Bye!